Hello everyone, today we will start the next portion of the story, The Thief is Caught. Now, can anyone tell me the verb, construction of the verb of the title, The Thief is Caught? This is in passive voice, okay? তো চোরটা ধরা পড়ে গিয়েছিল বা কেউ ধরে ফেলেছিল. The thief is caught by someone. That means here Paul, okay? So we will start the next part of the story. The boys got out and Paul telephoned Tuesday from a booth. We were all here at the hotel, he said. So the boys got out and Paul telephoned Tuesday from a booth that they are in a hotel. Soon the front yard of the hotel was crowded with boys. So the boys came there. Oh dear, he will see us now, one of the boys whispered. Whispered means muttered. That means telling something in a very low voice. So someone said that the man of black hat can see them. Okay, the man of black hat can see them. That's what we want him to do, said Emil. Emil replied that they wanted that the man black hat would see them, and that's how we are going to frighten him, and in this way they would frighten the man black hat. Okay, when he sees so many of us, he may get scared and throw the money at us before we make a noise. That means the man black hat got frightened and he would throw the money, okay, at them, and they will collect the money because the man would really be frightened by the boys. So this was their plan. Okay, when Black Hat left the hotel, there were about 50 boys in the front yard. So there are 50 boys. They all followed him down the street. They moved exactly as he did. So they moved in the way, in the manner the man Black Hat moving. He walked slowly and so did they. That means they are following the steps of the man Black Hat. If he was going slowly, then they were going slowly. If he stopped, they stopped. This manner is quite embarrassing. If you do with a person in this way, the person would become embarrassed. Okay. He walked fast and so did they. Everyone in the street saw that what they were doing. That everyone in the street were watching what the boys were doing. They all looked at Black Hat. So everyone was suspecting Black Hat. Why the boys are doing? So everyone was thinking that. Then Black Hat went into a bank. Emil followed him into the bank with 3 other boys while the rest of them waited outside. So Emil and 3 of the boys followed him in the bank. Black Hat handed some money over to the man at the counter in the bank. The man began to count the money. So Black Hat handed some money and there was another man who started to count the money. Stop, cried Emil. That's my money. He has stolen my money. So then Emil created the scene. That's my money. He has stolen my money. So he revealed everything. That isn't true, said Black Hat. So Black Hat denied that this was not true. The manager of the bank came out of his office and asked what was going on. In this time, the manager came and he wanted to inquire about the matter. This man has stolen my money, Emil complained to him. So Emil complained the manager. Can you prove it? The manager asked. So the manager asked for proof. Yes, I can, Emil answered. I had pinned my money to my pocket. If all the notes have pin marks in the same place, the money is mine. So Emil had given a perfect proof that he had pinned all the money. So naturally there were holes of pin in the money. So in this way he could prove that the money was his. The manager held up the money. Everyone could see the little pinholes clearly. So it was proved that the money really belonged to Emil. Okay. So they found that there were pinholes. When all eyes were on the money, Black Hat ran out of the bank. So when everyone was watching the proof, meanwhile the man had ran away. He did not run far, for he was running into the crowd of the boys outside, so he cannot run far. They surrounded him and caught him. Finally, the man Black Hat was caught. The bank manager rang for the police. So then the bank manager called the police. Well done, boys. The policeman said, you were a team of excellent detectives. So the policeman praised them for being so well. That means they caught the thief in a very well mannered way. Okay. The bank manager returned Emil's money to him. Emil thanked all of his friends, got into a taxi and went to his grandmother's house. Then Emil went to his grandmother's house catching a taxi. The story does not end here. Black Hat was notorious thief and the police were looking for him. The story does not end there. Notorious means very notorious means very unfamous, খুব কুখ্যাত, bad quality or doing something bad, মানে কুখ্যাত যেটাকে বাংলায় বলে, not famous. They had promised a handsome reward to anyone who helped them to catch the thief. That was what Emil had done at the bank. So Emil had been rewarded for his excellent work. Emil got a big sum of money as his reward. His mother joined him in the city for the holiday. He invited all his new friends to his grandmother's house. So this was a happy ending. Emil's mother came and his friends also came. The news of Black Hat's arrest was printed in all the newspapers. That means Emil became a famous person. Soon everyone in the city was talking about Emil and the detectives. So Emil and his friends became detectives. Emil, Paul and Triste became famous and they became friends. So all they became famous and friends. Okay. Emil and the Detectives by Erich Kästner. So the story is from the Emil and the Detectives.